Yo! Thank you all for 200 subscribers. Here is Burping Part 11. I don't know if these lights are annoying you guys, so I'm just gonna set them to... No, that's too dark. Red? No. What's... There we go. A normal light. Yeah, let's do a warm light. But anyways, let's get to the burping. The freak. Thank you. You know, I'm gonna just turn on the normal. Wait, does that look weird? Here, I'll make my head cover it. You know? Yeah. Right. Hello. 200. Bro, I'm freaking scared. Why am I scared? Also, I'm gonna start wearing this green beanie as like my thing. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna put this right here so then it doesn't fall under my bed. Alright. Hello. I'm happy. Did y'all know that I'm happy, man? I'm like happy because like I'm just happy. Like, you know? Everybody should be happy. What the crap, man? Can't do it. Thank you. 200. 200 subscribers. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna try to make it to 500 subscribers and make more animations. So be hyped for that. And also, just like watch my videos because it just makes me really happy to see that y'all are are actually like watching my videos, and that is it's just nice, like, you know. But what the freak? Why is it so dark in the hallway? before that one animation I made of the smiley face, my most popular video was how to burp, and it wasn't even good. It wasn't even a good video. Like, it's like all the crappy videos that I make that just like that have no effort put into them that get more views. It's like people with brain rot, you know? Also, I'm actually burping. I'm actually burping, but whenever I burp, I actually sometimes use my vocal cords to like kind of yell at the same time, but mostly just to like force it all out. But here, I'm gonna move this again. And then I'll turn on the light because I'm a little bit afraid of the dark. But only because sometimes I hallucinate. And that's okay, you know? And what I mean by hallucinate is like my eyes, like I think this happens to everybody, but like when I'm in the dark, if I look into like a dark corner or something, I just see like a tall guy, like a tall, like shadow figure, but I don't know if that's normal or not, but lighting change. Right. Okay. Stop getting distracted. Is that a tarantula? I've had this for like 5 years, and I don't even know what type of spider it is. It looks horrifying, and the stuff that it's in, it's like it's glow in the dark. But yeah, I just wanted to show that to you because it's just been sitting. I almost said something different. It's been sitting on my shelf for like so long, but I'm gonna stop it at 9 minutes, so I have to get as many burps as possible in the next 20 seconds. No, not right now.